Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a ringtone on iPhone using GarageBand. First, make sure you have the GarageBand app installed on your iPhone. It's free, so if you don't have it, open the App Store, search for GarageBand and download it. Once installed, you'll also need a sound file or song to use as your ringtone. If you have a song locally synced in your music app, you can use that, but note that it cannot be from Apple Music. Alternatively, you can download a sound file from a website like Pixabay, which offers free music. To download a song from Pixabay, open your web browser and go to pixabay.com. Browse their music library and preview any song you like. Once you've found the one you want, click the download button, complete the download process, and save the file to your iPhone. After you have your sound file ready, open the GarageBand app. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new project. Scroll through the options and select Audio Recorder. When it opens, there are a few settings to adjust. First, tap the blue button to the right of the recording button to turn it white. This disables the unnecessary metronome clicking sound. Then, tap the plus button in the top right corner to open the Song Sections menu. Select Section A, set it to Automatic and press Done. Now, go to the top left corner and tap the button with 3 broken lines. This will open the track editing view. In the top right corner, tap the loop icon. Here, you can choose how to import your sound file. If your sound is stored in the Files app, select the Files tab and browse to find your file. Once you've located your file, press and hold it to add it to the GarageBand timeline. Once the file is added, tap it to highlight it. You'll see borders at the start and end of the clip. You can adjust these to set your desired ringtone length. Drag the start and end points to highlight the specific portion of the song you want to use. If you need to, drag the clip to the beginning of the timeline after adjusting it. You can also play it back to ensure it starts and ends where you want. When you're satisfied, tap the down arrow in the top left corner and select My Songs. GarageBand will save your project with a default name, like My Song. Press and hold the project to bring up a list of options. Select Share, then Ringtone. GarageBand may adjust the ringtone length automatically. Press Continue to proceed. Give your ringtone a name, press Done, and then press Export. Once the export is complete, you can set it as your ringtone. Close GarageBand and open your iPhone's Settings app. Go to Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone. At the top of the list, you'll see the custom ringtone you just created. Select it, and it's now set as your ringtone. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of making a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.